Predictive maintenance for manufacturers. Manufacturers are saving thousands of dollars with planned maintenance. Predictive maintenance can help reduce 30% in maintenance costs and 35% in unplanned downtime. Improve workforce efficiency with Hanu's predictive maintenance solution. Hanu's predictive maintenance solution powered by Azure Synapse provides real-time alerts, tool failure predictions, and maintenance plans. Remote maintenance. Get started with Hanu's 4-week Jumpstart program for predictive maintenance. Register now, and get connected with our Azure Cloud experts to get started with your predictive maintenance journey.